Thanks, Owen. I'm your lifestyle expert, Jillian Renouf, and today we are going to be talking about how to make a strawberry whiskey sour, the perfect quarantine cocktail. We're going to first need to prepare a few ingredients, so I'm going to get you to go into your fridge and pull out some strawberries and put them on a cutting board and quart them. Then I'm going to ask that you grab an egg from your refrigerator and take an egg, crack it, and separate the yolk from the white. You can keep the yolk if you want, but you won't need it actually for this drink. Keep the white aside in a separate glass for later. Then what I'm going to get you to do is prepare some simple syrup. So what you're going to need is about equal parts sugar, equal parts hot water, and you're going to dissolve the sugar into boiling water and set it and cool it on ice when you are finished. Maybe pour it into a mason jar. I find that that's really helpful. I, for my own sake, have added apple and cinnamon to the sugar mixture. However, you can choose to add whatever you feel like adding. I just feel like apple and cinnamon are appropriate for this time of year. When you are finished, you will grab lemons, you will cut them and squeeze them should you choose to go the route of fresh lemon juice, or if you'd like, you can just buy real-time lemon from the store and use that. I won't judge you. The next thing that you're going to do is you are going to put the strawberries in a cocktail shaker like this one. And what you're going to do is you're going to muddle them until they are very, very fine. And then you are going to add an ounce of your simple syrup that you have created. You're going to add 2 ounces of your chosen acid. In this case, we've chosen lemon, so we're going to use lemon. And then you're going to add an ounce of whiskey or scotch. I've chosen Glenlivet 15 for my drink just because I'm classy and that's all I have left remaining from the quarantine. And then what you're going to do is you're going to mix all of the ingredients over ice, put it in your cocktail shaker, and give your cocktail shaker a wicked shake. Then you're going to strain the ingredients. I recommend double straining, otherwise your strawberry grains will get into the drink, which you definitely don't want. However, I do like the texture, so I'm just going to keep mine in. You're going to strain your ingredients and set it aside in a separate glass next to your egg white. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to rinse your cocktail shaker out. You are going to dump the ice down the drain, and then you are going to take your remaining liquid and you're going to pour it into the shaker with a strainer that you have disassembled, and take in the spring off and throw that in there as well, and take that egg white that you've set aside and throw that in the cocktail shaker as well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to give it a vigorous around the world shake, which is what bartenders often do in this city if you've ever had a well-made whiskey sour. So just to walk you through what the around the world shake looks like, you are going to take your shaker and you are going to go north, west, south, east, and back to north, back and forth with that repeated motion over and over and over again until you get your desired foam levels. If you feel that once you've poured your cocktail out that you have still not achieved the foam levels you desire, feel free to pour your liquids back in, including the egg white, which is now emulsified into the drink, and give it a vigorous shake, pour it back out, and you should have a delicious strawberry whiskey sour for the remainder of your quarantine experience. Thank you so much for tuning in to my quick lifestyle lesson. Back to you in studio with more 2020 news, Owen.